Okay, so now that we have the extension installed, I'm just going to give you a quick run through of all of the settings of the extension. The first button that you'll see here is the reset button. This will turn off all features. The second button will link to a help and documentation file. The third button here will open up your advanced options section. And when I click on this, you'll see that we have 4 separate tabs. The Features tab allows you to turn on and off the visibility of the features in the main pop-up. If you would like to clear up the pop-up and make it less cluttered, this is a good way to approach this. Down below the features, you will see options for other features like annotations, your local storage, translation supplier provider, and down the very bottom you will find the toggles for turning on the Citation Manager, Canvas LMS, Moodle LMS, and Google Classroom. Next tab is the Keyboard tab. This is where you can find all of the shortcuts for the extension. I can click on this Clear All button and that will remove all of the shortcuts from the extension, or I can click on any of these edit buttons if I want to change the default shortcut. The next tab is the Preferences tab. This allows me to turn on compact mode to show icons on the main pop-up, enter into debug mode, and then I can also change around the layouts or show and hide text stats bags and feature notifications. I can also turn on or off the token counter. This is specifically for when you are using an API key. And then down the bottom of this particular section is the profile management. This section allows you to use any of the preset profiles, or you can save your current profile and then you can export it from this machine into a second machine if you like, or I can import the profiles in as well, and then I have some more presets down the bottom. I will cover the AI preferences in a separate video. Once you're finished changing your options, make sure to click on the Save Change buttons to apply those to the extension. We also have up here the Minimize UI Clutter. What this will do is this will turn off any toast notifications that appear at the bottom of the screen. And then we have finally our dark mode, which applies a dark mode overlay to the extension pop-up.